Does Apple TV Plus have live TV? Apple TV Plus is a subscription-based streaming service focused on original content, but it does not include traditional live TV channels. However, users can access live sports and select live programming through additional subscriptions and integrations. 1. No traditional live TV channels. Apple TV Plus does not offer live television channels like cable or satellite services. It primarily focuses on original series, movies, and documentaries produced by Apple. Second, live sports on Apple TV Plus. Apple TV Plus includes limited live sports content such as Friday Night Baseball (MLB) and Major League Soccer (MLS) Season Pass. These games are available to subscribers, with some matches requiring an additional subscription. Third, Apple TV App Sports section. The Apple TV app features a sports section that provides real-time scores, live game updates, and access to sports broadcasts through third-party providers. Users can track their favorite teams and get notifications about upcoming games. Fourth, third-party live TV apps. While Apple TV Plus does not have live TV, the Apple TV app supports live TV streaming services such as Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, and Fubo TV. These require separate subscriptions and provide access to news, sports, and entertainment channels. 5. Apple TV channels with live content. Apple TV users can subscribe to premium add-ons like Paramount Plus, Showtime, and Stars, which may offer live events, news, and exclusive programming. These are not included in Apple TV Plus, but are accessible through the Apple TV app. 6. AirPlay and live streaming. Apple TV devices support AirPlay, allowing users to stream live content from their iPhone, iPad, or Mac to their Apple TV. This provides another way to access live broadcasts from supported apps. 7. Subscription and regional availability. Live sports and third-party apps vary by region, and some content may be restricted based on licensing agreements. Users should check available live programming in their country before subscribing. Apple TV Plus does not offer a dedicated live TV experience, but it provides limited live sports and access to third-party live TV services. Users looking for a full live TV experience may need to subscribe to additional streaming services compatible with the Apple TV app.